The truth is, clutter isn't just about laziness or a lack of organization. It's often emotional. We hold on to things because they remind us of people, memories, or what if situations. Add in busy schedules, social pressures, and endless ads telling us we need more, and suddenly we're drowning in stuff. We're afraid to let go. Maybe we'll need it later. Maybe it has sentimental value. Or maybe we're just overwhelmed and don't know where to start. But decluttering isn't just about cleaning. It's about creating space for what truly matters. One popular method is the KonMari method. Only keep what sparks joy. Another is the 80-20 rule. We use just 20% of our stuff 80% of the time. So why hang on to the rest? The secret is mindset. Let go of what if and focus on what is. You deserve a space that feels calm, not chaotic. Decluttering isn't just clearing shelves, it's clearing mental space too. And with every item you let go of, you're making room for something better. Let's talk. What's the hardest item you've had to let go of? Drop it in the comments and check out my video on minimalism for more simple strategies to transform your space.